Scientific name, Citrus bergamia. Color, greenish tending towards yellow. Shape, flattened at the poles, less round than grapefruit. Taste, citrus, with sour and bitter notes. Distinguishing features, prints of citrus fruits, with antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and anti-cholesterol, anti-stress properties. Bergamot is a fruit rich in antioxidant properties, specifically polyphenols that bring benefits to the tissues and circulatory system, and vitamins. Not only that, thanks to the multiple active ingredients contained inside, bergamot has renowned anti-stress and energizing properties. It is an effective natural remedy against hair loss, against dandruff, has anti-inflammatory action, helps fight depression. Bergamot essence has antiseptic, antibacterial, antimicrobial and antifungal properties. Rich in bioflavonoids, the essence extracted from bergamot acts against free radicals and purifies oily and acne-prone skin, thanks to its powerful astringent and healing function. Bergamot juice has the power to control cholesterol. Recent studies have in fact discovered the presence, inside, of substances with the ability to inhibit, on the one hand, the production of bad cholesterol in the blood and, on the other, to decrease blood glucose levels, thereby improving insulin activity. Due to the high concentration of citric acid, the daily intake of bergamot is not recommended. How to use it in the kitchen. Now well known as a fruit of health, the bergamot of Calabria can be tasted natural or squeezed.
Salads can be prepared with its segments.
The peel, pickled, is useful for flavoring first courses, main courses and desserts. Its juice can be used in the kitchen to season and flavor salads and dishes, to make delicious jams, refreshing slushes or even aromatic oils. A recipe in the bergamot manicole is widely used in the kitchen in different ways. It is possible to drink the juice, albeit rather bitter. You can use the wedges to prepare salads, or the zest to be put in brine, and used to flavor first courses, main courses and desserts. The bergamot liqueur, prepared with peels, is also well known and widespread. Given its refreshing and thirst-quenching properties, bergamot is also excellent for preparing tasty granitas. The ingredients are
200 g of bergamot juice, 240 g of sugar,
600 g of water. The process is very simple. Just dissolve the sugar in the bergamot juice, add the water and mix well. Pour the liquid obtained in this way into ice bins and freeze everything, so as to obtain cubes with bergamot. Once ready, just chop them in the ice crusher or with a blender and serve immediately. Thanks for watching.